Here is this Hoover Elite Model 600 that I got from a thrift store last month for a really good price. It's in really good shape. That's what caught my eye, is how nice a condition this was in. And the blue as well. I really like the blue. So according to the rating plate, it's from 1988. Can't remember the month though. Let's see. It's from September of '88. But yeah, I just opened it up, cleaned it out, and threw a new brush roll in it because the original was damaged. So it's a used brush roll, but in really good shape. So we have that plus a new belt. So here we go. And the brush roll in it has 2 rows of bristles, which is why it pulls itself a lot better. One thing I like about these older Elites compared to newer ones like that one is how much quieter they are. And that's because of their lower amperage. I like all Elites, but the newer ones are admittedly much louder because of their higher amperage. These are nice and quiet. Pleasant to use all around. I really like it a lot. And there's the rating plate again, along with the brush roll. And while I'm at it, I forgot to show you guys the rating plate on the Sprint when I made the video of it. So there it is. It's a June of '96. And you can see this is a 7 amp. Oh, and there's the brush roll. 1 row of bristles. Versus a 6 amp. I had a feeling it was 6 amps. So anyway, that's the Hoover Elite 600. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.